You want to learn useContext in 90 seconds? Here we go. The useContext hook allows you to work with React's Context API. This is a mechanism that allows you to share or scope values throughout the entire component tree. Let's say we have an object called theme that can be either dark or light. To share the current theme across multiple disconnecting components, we can create a context. One part of the application might be dark, so we use a context provider to scope the dark theme there. Another part of the application might be light, so we use a context provider to scope the light theme there. Now, any children component inside of it can inherit that value without needing to pass down the props to the children. This brings us to the useContext hook. It allows us to access or consume the current value from the context provider. This value may reside many levels higher in the component tree. Reading a parent value from useContext is a whole lot easier than passing props down through multiple children. Now, the theme changes from dark to light in the parent provider. The value here will be updated automatically. If you've ever used React Context in the past, you've likely used the consumer component. The useContext hook is pretty much just an easier replacement for the consumer. That being said, useState is the most important hook to learn for React. useState is the most commonly used hook as well, and you can learn it in 90 seconds by watching my useState video next.